monsters beneath your bed. What's real? What's in your head? Moon's out, my mother's house is empty. Come and find me now.
Brenna, I stand here before you today, looking into your eyes. I think about the moment I first saw you at the Cambridge Hotel. That infectious smile, that was the night an angel entered my life. Brenna, I love your fiery and tenacious nature. I love how you make me safe, how you keep me honest, how you know what's best for me well before I do. I love how caring you are. I love our shared passion for music and good times. I love how our values align and how we support each other to achieve our goals. I love hearing your beautiful voice yell "Rub" when I enter the room. I love your lists and how I manage to always find everything that you can't. Brenna, I stand here before you today. I reflect on how you complete my life, how you are my greatest mentor. I remember every laugh we have shared, the happiness you bring to my world, and the hard times we have battled, and every beautiful moment there is to come. Brenna, I promise to be your rock, to be by your side for eternity, to be your best friend, your protector, your biggest fan, and most of all, your soulmate. Brenna, you are the love of my life.
Made too much for
Charles, 7 years ago I had the unexpected joy of falling in love at first sight, something I didn't know existed. I've not only found my lifelong partner, my lover, but my soulmate. Thank you for standing by me and sticking with me through thick and thin, seeing the person that's before you now. You believed in me when I didn't even believe in myself, and for that I love you so much. As your wife, I promise you this, to cherish every moment we have together, to support you in all your heart's desires, to follow you wherever you may go. What I can't promise you is saving you from Oki's shark attack on the daily. I swear I couldn't love you more than I do now, and yet I know I will tomorrow. I choose you now and forever, to laugh with, to cry with, and to grow old with.
calling you to say.
Please welcome Mr. and Mrs. Perry.